Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make barbecue chicken flatbread pizza. Barbecue chicken flatbread pizza is a perfect summer dish. To make it easy, I use store-bought flatbread and I smother it with barbecue sauce and top it with shredded chicken and lots of mozzarella cheese. It's so good and it's bursting with flavor. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by prepping our toppings. Here I have some cilantro that I'm chopping up. Don't skip out on the cilantro. It really adds a bit of freshness and a lot of flavor to our pizza. Unless, of course, if you really despise it. Here I have a red onion and I'm going to go ahead and slice them thinly. I really think onions gives another dimension of flavor to pizza, and this red one will give it a nice pop of color. And if you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that you can support me to continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. In a bowl, I have about 1.5 cups of shredded chicken. And I'm going to mix in a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Today I'm using Trader Joe's organic Kansas City style barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce you prefer. And using bottled barbecue sauce honestly just makes this recipe a lot easier. The first time I ever had barbecue chicken pizza was at California Pizza Kitchen, which was many years ago, which I thought was amazingly different just because I was used to, our traditional pizzas. I just thought it was such a great idea because it combines two of your favorite foods, barbecue chicken in pizza form. So here, instead of pizza dough, I took a shortcut and bought some pre-made flatbread or naan. And this was the brand that was available for Target Drive Up, which you guys know I love, and it came out really good. I bought 2 packages so that I have a total of 4 pieces of flatbread, which is perfect because it'll make 4 pizzas, one for me, my hubby, and the boys. Now I'm going to drizzle some of the barbecue sauce onto the flatbread, and I'm just going to eye it, no measuring here. You don't need too much sauce, but you can make it as saucy as you'd like. And using a brush, or you can use the back of a spoon, I'm going to spread it all over the flatbread. This is such a perfect summer dish to quickly whip up together. You could have it for lunch or dinner, and who doesn't love pizza? This is totally optional, but I like to sprinkle just a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much because we don't want it to be salty, but just a little to add some flavor. Now I'm going to sprinkle over 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, because we can't have pizza without lots of cheese, right? Now I'm going to top it with our barbecue chicken that we mixed earlier. For the chicken, you could buy a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken at the grocery store, or you can roast 1 or 2 pieces of chicken breasts just like I did. I always have cooked chicken on hand since that's what my dog Jasper eats every day. And yes, he's a spoiled little guy. And lastly, we're going to top it off with our sliced red onions. And we're just gonna evenly distribute them around the pizza. By any means, it does not have to look perfect. And we are ready to bake this. I have my oven heated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for about 13 to 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. All right, it's done baking in the oven, and you guys have to take a look at this. Sorry, it came out a little blurry here, but I promise it's delicious. Lastly, I'm gonna top it off with our fresh chopped cilantro, which honestly gives the pizza so much flavor, but I'm only gonna add it to 2 pizzas since my kids aren't really fans of cilantro. And just a shot of the final product, which looks incredible. It is lunchtime right now at our house and we are all hungry, So I'm gonna go ahead and slice these guys up. You guys saw how easy it was to make this. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. And for mine, I'm gonna add a few pinches of crushed pepper flakes. So good. You guys need to try it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.